morning, Master Designers. And all those who follow in my footsteps. Tonight, we're going to draw the king of the dinosaurs. You know him, you love him, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Alright, actually, we're drawing an animated form for Tyrannosaurus Rex named King Rexefer. On the series, he reigns over the dinosaur kingdom, and, well, protects his dinosaur city, and checks and patrols as long as his town is just fine.
If you live in a dream and you know what it means, then you can't let him change your mind. This the life that we choose, and we still.
Here's King Rexefer's upper half.
Just fine, just fine. If you live in a dream and you know what it means, then you can't let him change your mind. This the life that we choose, and we still break the rules, but it's all gonna be just fine.
Across his arm and his body. This here, here's his claw Magisword, his only Magisword weapon, and of course, one of my favorite Magiswords. Here's his hand. There's the scabbard. Now here's his fur. Alexa, play Lev Like a Warrior.
Here's Lev Like a Warrior by Matisiahu on Amazon Music.
Alright, here's the claws.
Some days people don't see you. You feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates, pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes. You do good, they want great. No matter what you give, they still wanna take. Give your love and they go way back. You give your heart, they go on attack. When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do, say today live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire,
There.
in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. There's some things you should let go. They're only gonna pull you down. Just like weight on your shoulder. swing high, we all swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got
this.
dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid, no. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and do it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and do it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Your heart is too heavy from things that carry a long time.
And finished.
Been up, you been down.
That's Tyrannosaurus Rex, King Rexefer.
According to Wikipedia, Tyrannosaurus was a large predatory dinosaur from the Upper Cretaceous, 68 to 66 million years ago. Tarbosaurus is a genus of tyrannosaurid dinosaur that flourished in Asia about 70 million years ago, at the end of the late Cretaceous period, considered to contain a single known species, Tarbosaurus batar. Albertosaurus is usually defined as a giant fierce carnivorous Tyrannosaurus-like dinosaur of genus Albertosaurus, discovered in Alberta, Canada.
Finally finished. That's how you draw King Rexefer. To find out more on how to draw more fighters like this, be sure to leave a comment. Check out the playlists below you. That's all for now. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out which fighter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.